Hello, my name is Abdel. I came from Egypt. I'm 27 years old and I studied MME-CAME year 2020. First, I studied my bachelor in mechanical engineering in Egypt, and then I worked for 1.5 years as a mechanical engineer in industry. Afterwards, I wanted to do my master degree, and I wanted to specialize in computer application in mechanical engineering. At the same time, my work for 1.5 years in industry made me understand that management skills are very important for any mechanical engineer. I was searching for something like MME-CAME, and I think there is no much masters in Germany with the same name and like the same curriculum. So that's why I chose the MME-CAME. Also, I attended some webinars by RWTH to know more about MME-CAME and also have the opportunity to ask questions to professors to understand more about the curriculum and what I can do after finishing my master. So I started my master degree at RWTH, and me personally, I found some of the things that were very good were project-based subjects. So I get to communicate with many students from other cultures and work together to solve some of the problems. And for me personally also, I get to implement some of the theoretical knowledge that we get in some practical problems and solving some practical problems. I didn't had any previous knowledge, for example, in machine learning and artificial intelligence, but I was able in these project-based subjects to work in this field, implement some of the algorithms to solve some problems. And this was very interesting for me to learn and work with such tools and see how powerful they are for mechanical engineers. This gave me a very big interest actually to also further do my master's thesis in the same field, and then also work after finishing my master at the same field. So I would also say that one of the very good things about RWTH that one would have the opportunity to work as student assistant, for example, in any of the institutes at Aachen. So I worked personally as a student assistant in one of the institutes. I worked in the developing and the simulation of hydrogen internal combustion engines. We were researching about new fuels to use and to which would have much lower emissions than petrol and diesel engines, for example. But I would also say one of the important things also for me personally that about the master degree was being put into many challenges. For me and most of the students, this was very frustrating. But at the end, it worked in my favor. Yes, it's frustrating because I have to do many things that I don't know before, but just being pushed that way would make me learn fast. And at the end, we all did the projects. Although we were complaining, but at the end, we all did the projects. We all did well, and I learned a lot. So also doing the thesis, there's many challenges that I don't know how to solve, but just being pushed to do something and being pushed to do many things and being pushed to study many hard subjects. So at the end, this would make me more comfortable facing new challenges, or at least not having the fear to face challenges, because in these 2 years I was so much pushed. Then I'm now more stronger than before.